Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, January 11th. Stocks slipped, but then snapped back yesterday, essentially unchanged in the S&P and the Dow. The NASDAQ, which had been up for 7 straight sessions, was down 0.25%. But a big comeback after a little bit of an unkind unwind that we saw early in the morning before the markets. That was essentially the low, and it was straight up for the rest of the day. The 10-year notes drop was the impetus there as concerns that China's going to stop buying our bonds, but I guess that's fake news. We saw crude oil climb yesterday to new 3-year highs, 63.70. Gold was up $5. So where do we stand here on Thursday morning? Well, stocks are steady to higher, closing in on those highs once again. We're up 3 or 4 here in the S&P, which is now 5 away from the all-time highs made on Tuesday. Dow is up 35 away from those all-time highs, and the NDX is up 10, 20 away. So closing in as stocks will take the forefront tomorrow with the banks coming out with earnings to kick off the season. Looking at other markets, crude hit 64. We've talked about 65 over and over and over again, getting close. That's the measured move target after that 45 to 55 range that we're in for a year. As far as that $10 on top of that high, we're closing in. Gold's up $3 at $13.22. $13.28 was the high of the other day, the most recent high. The news this morning, PPI numbers came in a little bit stronger than expected, so we are seeing some inflation at the wholesale level, and also the ECB, their minutes can be interpreted as a little bit hawkish. That's given the euro currency a bounce, driving the dollar down once again and supporting some of these commodity prices. So to summarize, with about an hour to go before the cash stock market opened, we've got stocks stronger closing in on the all-time highs, coming back after that dip yesterday. S&P's up 4, the Dow's up 30, and the NDX is up 9. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.